In today's class, we are going to discuss the database connection. See, HANA database connection name. How to create the HANA database connection. And next, we need to discuss the stored procedure, and the second one is we need to discuss the stored procedure proxy. We need to discuss the stored procedure proxy. See, today we are going to discuss these two. First of all, I'll tell you how to create our own HANA database connection. See here. It's opening. Just one second. I'm going to open the HANA Studio and at the same time ECC, because I need to show you, once I create, whether it is a correct or not, I need to test also. So that's why I'm going to open ECC. Okay. Best. Yeah. Now see here. Okay. Just double click on it. Okay. See here, first I'm going to show you. First, I'm going to show you how to create a. See here, how to create our HANA database connection name. How we people can create the HANA database connection name is SAP Labs. See, SAP Labs provided a predefined. Okay, SAP Labs have provided a predefined transaction code that is DBA cockpit. DBA cockpit. Okay, here the point is what here SAP Labs have provided a transaction code that is a DBA cockpit. See, in interview point of view, brother Prasad and Suresh, in interview point of view, there may be a chance to ask this question. Okay, what is a transaction code? What is a transaction code to create the HANA database connection names? Yes. Why is the transaction code DBA cockpit? DBA cockpit is the database system configurations. Database system configuration. Okay. Database system configuration. Here the point is what? Here the point is what is the transaction code here? DBA cockpit. Okay, now see here. Please don't forget the transaction code. See, I'm going to open the ECC. I'm going to open the ECC first. Okay, expand it. See, DBA cockpit. Click on enter. Once I click on enter, see here, this is the database. See here, DBA cockpit is the database cockpit system configuration. See, once you once you open the screen like this, then what you need to do is under the SAP HANA database, that means the database under the database and administration, you can see that, see here, system landscape. Inside the system, database connections. You can see the database connection. Just try to double click on it. Once you double click on it, then you can see the available SAP HANA database connections, right hand side. Just try to expand it. Expand it. See, if you expand it, see here, all these are the available HANA database connection names. Okay. See, for example, see here, test it here, select. Before going to use the database connection names, we need to test it. Before going to use this database connection names, we need to test it. Select, click on test button. See here, error authentication failed. So that means what? This was not working. Next, select this one. Click on test. See here, this is also came like that. See here, we need to just once again. See here, we need to, okay. We need to see, we need to check the, see here. Yeah, here you can see, here is the, see here. Is a connection test one, selected. Click on execute. Click on test. Once again, here. Select. Okay, then click on test. See here, message database connection test one established successfully. That means what? This HANA database connection is working fine. Okay. Similarly, okay, in our ABAP program, we use the same one, same database connection. See here, I'm going to open that. Here. Come down. See here, come up. You can see here, test one. Database connection name. We use that one. Now I'm going to create a new test. See here. Now I'm going to see here. Test at when the test one. See, I'm executing that execution. When it is a test one, there will be a lot of data, so it may take the time. One second. Once again, so data will come, please wait. If there is a bulk amount of the data, it may take a few seconds of the time. Yeah, see here, you can see. Now, the point is now, test one, see, it's worked successfully. Now I'm going to create the another one. See here, select, click on the add. Click on the add button. See, before going to click on that button, see on your desktop, okay, on your desktop, you can see that credentials. Yeah, one second here. These are the credentials we need. Without these credentials, we can't create the HANA database connection. 100%. Your HANA database credentials related information you can see you can see inside of the notepad, which is saved on your desktop. Okay, so see here, I just minimize it. I'm going to click here. See here, click on add. When I click on add, it is asking the connection name. I'm going to give, okay, I'm going to give info database.